All right, Chevy Tri-5 time here, 1955 Chevrolet 210 four-door sedan, done up into a street rod. Now, this particular car powered by a GM small block underneath hood 350. That is paired up with a turbo 350 automatic transmission. Also has power brakes. As you can see, disc up front, riding on Riddler wheels. As far as finish on this car, the red on it is kind of a satin, I would call it, satin finish. And gray on it has a little more gloss to it. And a little bit of metallic in there. When we get around to the back, I'll kind of show you that. Surrounding the grille, bumpers, finished in flat black with a two-tone look. Now, if you want to check out the still pictures of this car, so you can see the underside, check out the engine bay, interior still pictures can be seen at uniqueclassiccars.com. Down below this video in the description, there's a link. Click on it. It's going to take you right to the website where you can see the pics. It has bucket seats, center console. I believe it's a B&M shifter in there, connected to that 350 turbo. These four doors have gotten more popular the last few years. Kind of nice. Take your friends, family, grandkids with. Have a little fun at any of the car shows, roll-ins. Interior, little aftermarket pod of gauges down below the center. Appears to be possibly a Chevy Camaro steering column in there, steering wheel. And again, when I get back here, you can see a little bit of metallic in that gray paint. Paint on it is showable. It's not perfect or a high-end trailer queen paint job by any means, but nice showable paint. Like I said, any of your local cruise-in shows, be a few spots where it's been touched up. You can tell the car's been cared for. A few touch-ups on it. Now remember, we do consider trades. Financing is available. We can assist with transportation. And of course, this car may be eligible for an extended service contract, so consult with your sales associate when you call in or email. Come around to the rear, have the rear matching flat black bumper like the front. Looks good on those Riddler wheels. But you can get into a classic car without paying the two-door hardtop or convertible price. Have a little fun. Remember, still pictures can be seen at uniqueclassiccars.com. Again, down below this video in the description, there's a link. Click on it. It's going to take you right there. We'll fire this up so you can hear it. Nice sounding car. Always is fired right up anytime I've moved it around the showrooms. Check out the rear here. Interior's nice. Got a vinyl cloth blend. Charcoal gray and black. Matches the exterior nice. The doors close nicely, fit tight. Door panels. Color combo carrying through to match the bucket seats. All right, let's go ahead and fire this up. I'll hear you. Have you be able to hear it, and we'll check out that engine bay. Like I said, vehicles always started easily. There's your aftermarket gauge pod. Oil pressure rises right up. Here's the gas gauge works. Temp gauge, I'm assuming, will come up. The engine comes up to temperature. Otherwise, still pretty much carrying the same clustered, same style dash as it would have came stock, just different color, different paint. See, the headliner's nice in this car. And like I said, there's that B&M shifter and a homemade center console. Done nicely in there. Slip around in the back. Nice sound coming out of that small block Chev. Alright, I'm going to pause this a second. Let's get this hood popped and let's check out the engine bay. Alright, so see what we have here. Aluminum radiator, poly carb, Edelbrock intake. Got some chrome belt covers, air cleaner dress up. Headers. As you can see too, it idled down off the high idle and I popped the hood. And again, power brakes, this disc up front. Like I said, smooth running engine too. Sounds good at that idle RPM amount. Slip around to the back now so you can hear it with it idled down a little bit. It's a good sounding car. Listen to that. There you have it, 1955 Chevrolet 210 four-door sedan. Cool color combination. Give us a call, 507-386-1726. UniqueClassicCars.com. Click on the link in the description down below this video. Remember, we do consider trades. Sure assist with transportation. Financing is available. And of course, this car may be eligible for an extended service contract. Consult with your sales associate when you call in or email.